Hey, this is Shweta, and in this lecture we'll discuss about the conditional and loops, and this includes if-else statement, switch statement, while loop, for loop, and do while loop. And first we'll discuss about the if statement. The if statement is a conditional statement that executes a block of code when a condition is true. So here syntax is given: if condition curly braces executes this code. Means if this condition will be true, then it will execute this code. If condition will be false, then it will exit out of the curly braces. For example, we have taken example that int age is equal to 25. If age greater than 18, then printf welcome in our team. So if condition is that if age should be greater than 18, if age will be greater than 18, then it will execute this code. So here 25 age is equal to 25 greater than 18, so condition is true and the code will be executed, means the output will be welcome in our team. Next we will discuss about the if-else statement. The optional else statement can be specified to execute a block of code when the condition in the if statement evaluates to false. Means initially we are checking the conditions in if statement. If it will be true, then it will execute this code, and if it will be false, then it will execute this code. Now we are taking an example here int marks is equal to 75. If marks greater than 40, then execute this code, that is print pass. And if marks less than 40, means if this condition is false, then print fail. So here the marks is equal to 75 and 75 greater than 40. Yeah, it's true, 75 greater than 40, so it will print pass. So this will be the answer, this will be the output. Next we will discuss about the switch statement. The switch statement, a more elegant way to check a variable for equality against a list of values. Each value is called case, and the variable being switched on is checked for each switch case. In a switch statement, the optional default case is executed when none of the previous cases match. Means we will discuss more about this with the help of one example. So here we have taken int age is equal to 90. Switch age, here age is the variable, age case 15. We have taken one case here 15. Printf too young, break. Case 50. Printf adult, break. Default printf default case, break. So here we have taken age is equal to 19, and in first case we are taken as 15. So 15 does not match with this 90, so it will not print too young. Now it will break. Now it will execute the second statement, that case 50. 50 is different from 90. 50 and 90 is not equal, so it will not print adult. So it will print the default value. So what we in default value it should print default case. So our output will be default case. Next we will discuss about the while loop. A while loop executes a block of code as long as a given condition is true. So the syntax is while expression statement. If the expression will be true, then it will execute this statement, and if the what are the steps? These are the steps. First, evaluate expression, then if true, then execute expression, and they go to step 1. If false, then control goes to statement after the while statement. This is the condition for the while loop. So here we have described it with the help of this flow chart. Here the expression, if it will be true, then it will execute the statement, and if it will be the false, then the control goes to the statement after the while statement, and this true statement will execute it, and it will again go to the expression. So we will learn more about this with the help of an example. Let int I is equal to 1 while I less than equal to 3, printf \n Shweta I plus plus. So here I want to print my name 3 times. So that's why I have taken one example. Here first I have initialized the value of I, that is I is equal to 1. This is called the initialization step. Then I less than equal to 3, while I less than equal to 3 is the condition. Our condition is that I must be less than or equal to 3. If it will be true, then it will execute this value printf \n Shweta, and if and then flow means then it will increase the value of I. So here I is equal to 1 and 1 is less than 3, so it's true. Then it will execute this value, it will print Shweta. Then again it will increase the value I plus plus, mean now value of I becomes 2. So 2 is also less than equal to 3. So it will again, the condition is true, so it will print Shweta. We have used \n so that it will execute this next code to the next line. Now it will again increase the value of I. We have written I plus plus, so it will again increase the value of I. Now the value of I becomes 3. So 3 less than equal to 3, yes, condition is true. It is not less than but is equal to 3. So it will again print this value of \Shweta. So Shweta will be again printed, and now the value of I increased to 4. 4 less than equal to 3? No, this condition is false. So now this Shweta will not be printed. So we have got Shweta 3 times. So this is the output. Let's take another case. If we have not taken the if we have taken the value 1, condition is while 1 less than equal to 3, printf Shweta. Means we know that 1 will always be less than 3, so it will take the output up to infinite loop. We'll get the Shweta up to infinite loop. So in each case here 1 less than 3 will be true. So the printf value will be it will print again and again Shweta up to infinite time. So it will be an infinite loop. And I want to discuss one technical term in this, iteration. What is iteration? Each run of the loop is called an iteration. Here we have when 1 less than equal to 3 when 1 less than equal to 3, it will execute one time, then again it will check the condition. 2 less than equal to 3, then again it will execute. So this is called the iteration. Here the loop is executed 3 times. So in this example, loop run for 3 iteration, and when I is equal to 4, loop is broken, so there is no iteration for I is equal to 4. Now we will discuss about do while loop. A do while loop is similar to while loop, except that a do while loop is guaranteed to execute at least one time. If the condition of do while loop evaluates to false, the statement in the do will still run once. And here the syntax given: do curly braces statement while condition. In previous example, in while loop we have seen that after condition we have not given the semicolon, but here there will be semicolon after the while statement. So now we will discuss with the help of one example. Int I is equal to 1, do printf Shweta I plus plus while I less than equal to 3. I have taken the same example, only the difference is I am executing this code with the help of do while loop. So here we have initialized the value I is equal to 1, do printf Shweta I plus plus while I less than equal to 3. Means first it will execute this code, then it will check the condition. If condition will be true, then it will print Shweta. So here it will execute at least one time. First it will execute this, then it will check the condition. Now we will discuss about the for loop. A for loop executes a set of statement a specific number of times. Sorry, I want to discuss one more thing in this, that here in while loop we have seen that when condition will be true, then the statement will be executed. But in this case, first the loop is executed, then the condition will be tested. Next, move to for loop. A for loop executes a set of statement a specific number of times. Here the syntax is given: for initial expression, initialization, then test expression, update expression, curly braces, statements. Most of the people love to use for loop because it is easier. We get all these things in just one line: initialization, test, and updates. First, what are the steps to execute this for loop? First, evaluation, initial expression, evaluate. Then evaluate test expression. If test expression is true, then execute statement. If this statement, then execute update expression, then go to step 2, means evaluate test expression. So now we see this with the help of this example. Int I, for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 3, I plus plus. We have initialized it, then we have tested the condition, then we have updated also in a single line. And this all three conditions are written with the help of the semicolon. There is a semicolon between them. So now if this condition will be true, then printf Shweta. So first it will initialize, it will check that I less than equal to 3, yes, 1 less than equal to 3, so it will print Shweta. Then it will again go to the update, it will increase the value 1, it will become 2, then it will again printf, it will first it will initialize, then it will test the condition, that then it will print, then it will update. So first here 1, we have taken 1 less than equal to 3, it's true, then it will print this condition, then it will update value, so 1 becomes 2, then it will again check the value that 2 less than equal to 3, yeah, it's true, so it will again print this value, then again it will update, so 2 becomes 3, so now it will check the condition 2 less than equal to 3, yeah, it's true, so it's again print the value Shweta. Now again update, so it will become 3, and when the value of I becomes 4, then this execution will broke, so it will print 3 times, it will print Shweta 3 times. So all these loops are same, only the executions are different. So this is all about the loops. Thank you for today.